Well, I've had a very nice slow start to the day this morning. It's just been beautiful out here. Nice cool breeze coming through. I think it's been in about the mid to high 60s for high temps here, just getting down into the low 40s at night. It's going to cool down a little bit more as I head north, and there's just a general cool down happening overall. So I'm all packed up. I'm going to move on out of here. I stayed here 2 nights and it was just fantastic. Something about this place, it was just one of the most peaceful camps I've been in a while. Things are just kind of, I'm just in the groove right now, feeling good. So we're going to get this old van back on the road. Got to find the next small town and fuel up, and we should be moving on into the state of Oregon today. The adventure continues. Let's do this. Okay, we are ready to roll. This was such a great stay here. What a perfect little place to camp. If I wasn't on my way to a job, I'd definitely stay here probably a whole week. Plenty of little trails to go walking around, and just, man, perfect weather. At about 5,700 feet right here. Like I mentioned, it's just been in the mid 60s, clear and sunny. Cool in the shade, nice and warm if you're in the sun. Can't beat it. There's been nobody up here. Nobody around at all using this dirt road. Just off in the distance, the faint sound of the highway noise when trucks go up the grade. But other than that, very secluded and just in nature out here. It's kind of a rough road coming in here. It's a little rocky, but just take it slow, and I was able to navigate it fine. And hope to find something similar just a little ways north up into Oregon. Scoping out some national forests there. Looks like it is open for dispersed camping, so we'll see what we can find. I really don't even remember coming in here. Forget how long I drove in. Not too far. Oh, this is so fun. I love this. Okay, I can see the highway. Well, we're back on Highway 139, heading north here in California. Taking this all the way into Oregon. Looks like we're in for a beautiful day today. Sit back and enjoy the ride. Away we go. Well, here we are coming into the state of Oregon. Welcome to Oregon. Goodbye, California. Hello, Oregon. Feels good to be back on the dirt roads again. It's like coming home. I'm gonna wind my way through this forest road here, see if I can find a spot to camp. Looks like there is no cell service out here. And I did pass a horse camp to access this road, so I may run into some horses here. I'm gonna have to just take it easy. Let's see how this goes. Oh yeah, it's adventure time now. This is a serious forest road. If I run into someone's gonna have to back up here. Well, the road has smoothed out a little bit now that we're getting out of the logging area. Looks like they just came in and shredded a bunch of trees up. It's just debris everywhere. I'm a little concerned about getting a gash in one of my tires from some of that laying in the road, but it seems to have cleared up here. I'm just going real slow. Still has not been much for pull-offs as far as camping. There is a little river that's up here, so I think that's where I'm going to try to head and see if there's any clearings by the water. Well, here's one of the Forest Service machines here. I was wondering if I'd come upon one of these parked here. That must be what they're shredding everything up with. It looks like kind of like a backhoe, but the implement on the end is a big grinder, kind of like a big wood chipper. What? Do I see a paved road? Yeah, I could have totally came in a different way and avoided all that. Oh, that's funny. I've done that before at certain spots. Actually, this isn't paved, it's gravel, but yeah, I could have totally came in a different way. Oh well, now I know. Alright, and it looks like there's quite a few people down at the day use area here. Just a dead end loop. Looks like you can access the water there. Gal's got her bathing suit on. It is warm today, oh yeah. Okay, now I got a feel for the area here. I guess I'll go back and try to find a place to camp. Okay, I think I found a little pull-in spot that'll work for me. Well, this is it. Nothing real special. Just a little spot here tucked in the woods. There's a little fire ring here. And this is the old Forest Service campground that has since been closed down. But apparently you can come and disperse camp here. There are some old vault toilets, but they're all locked up. Completely primitive dry camping. Pack it in, pack it out. Well, super stoked I found this viewpoint here. You can actually see Mount Shasta way off in the distance. I wish I would have brought my zoom camera. You won't be able to see it. I can see it with my naked eye here, just off in the distance. Little hazy over there. Pretty awesome. I took a little ride down to the creek here. It is just crystal clear. That sun's hitting it just right, getting a reflection there. Ooh, that water is ice cold. Man, it's clear though. Whew, a lot of mosquitoes out. Well, this has turned out to be a neat little area. Not very many people out here. There are some tent campers across the creek here. I didn't notice an access spot to get on the other side there. I might explore for that maybe tomorrow. Sun is starting to set, so I should get back to camp. Sure been enjoying having the trail bike here.